epicenter of happiness. We here at the Happiness Center, under the impeccable leadership of Happiness Doctor, Professor Dr. Tin Arora, aim to spread happiness. And to take this initiative forward, we are back with the Magical Happiness Show. Magic is believing in yourself. If you can do that, you can make anything happen. Happiness begins with the thoughts you think today. When the state of being happy becomes our natural state, the magic of happiness appears. To celebrate the art of thinking and how it can change lives, we are honored to bring the world-class magician Dr. Pallavi Alap Deshpande for a thought-provoking session. Dr. Pallavi is a Limca Book of Records holder as the youngest magician 1996. She was the first Indian girl magician to perform abroad and also to be featured on Indian television. She has been awarded with the AP Abdul Kalam Award, Shri Shakti Award, and many more. Being a physiotherapist by profession, she is now looking forward to include the power of energy science and hypnotherapy to heal people and contribute bringing the transformation. Dr. Pallavi is also author of the book that opens here. Now, without further ado, we will turn the time over to Dr. Pallavi and get started with the Magical Happiness Show. Over to you, Dr. Pallavi.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. That was such a pleasing intro. Tushar, God bless. Thank you, sir. And I feel so blessed, so honored uh, to be the chosen one to be on this platform to and that so much resonates with my intention of happiness. So to start with, I can't see all the faces, I can see few, but I want each one of you to smile.
Everybody can put on the cameras, please. Everybody can be on the camera, if possible.
मैजिक है ना, बहुत सिंपल चीजों में छुपा होता है, हम बहुत so smile, 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 and try creating a negative thought. Smile and try creating a thought of fear, of anger, of worry, of sadness, and see if you can maintain that smile. Possible? Even under the mask. Yes, it's so very powerful. It's one of the keys, simple key in my book, and it is something that we all can remember to use. Only by maintaining this smile, you can save yourself, you can shift yourself. So very powerful. So promise me that until we are done and today you will practice this. I want to see everyone smiling for no reason. Promise? Yeah, okay. So who all are with the rope? I want to see someone with the rope. Rassi, simple rope. Fair enough. Cut it, sir, to this length. Okay, बाकी सब लोग है ना, देखो और enjoy करो. Okay, we are starting with a simple magic just to set that space, and I want everyone aligned to this. हम लोगों ने shows I am a more of a illusion and a stage person, but yes, let's create some fun. Okay, try a knot, Tushar sir. ऐसे.
Done, ma'am.
या जिन्होंने भी रस्सी ली है, एक नॉट टाई कर लो. इतना. Yes, one more knot. ऐसे.
Done.
ग्रेट. अब नीचे से उसको, नीचे से ले लो रस्सी का एक एंड, नीचे वाले लूप से. लिया?
Yes, ma'am.
ग्रेट. अभी ऊपर से ले लिया?
Yes.
Great. Now pull it. Show me. Teacher.
I did some mistake.
Try it again. Try it again. One not
Yes, ma'am.
at the pathway. Okay. Okay. Fair enough. Now everyone with the pendulum. Pendulum तो सारे निकाल ही लो, हाँ, उसके सिवा आप
Will
कैसे
this work?
एंजॉय कर पाओगे? ग्रेट. पेंडुलम हो, आपके गले का चेन हो तो भी चलेगा. See now listen to me. Make sure that you are completely with yourself when you're doing the exercise. This is something um, which is not a momentary pleasure. This can open the doors for you for life. This is a super powerful understanding. So I want you all to do this ekdam dil se, okay? This is actual magic for life. है ना? तो यहाँ पे तो आप सोचोगे कि रस्सी मेरे हाथ में थी, मेरे वाले रस्सी में कुछ होगा. अब पेंडुलम आप सबके पास है. ओके, सो मेक श्योर आप इसको पहले सीधा पकड़िएगा.
Those of you who want to be on camera,
हाँ जी.
those of you who
I
want to be on camera,
everyone.
boys and girls, try to be on camera. Let's have a mass fun.
Let it
Try
be
to be on camera,
interactive.
as many as possible.
Let me see everyone doing, and I will also enjoy it. Then,
Dr. Pallavi,
yes.
let me inform you, we have been joined by one CEO, Miss Sulekha. Sulekha ma'am, how?
Welcome, ma'am.
Ma'am, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, and thank you. Thank you for being here. So, ma'am, I want you to do this.
Sulekha ma'am, can you hear us?
I want everyone to be a player, not a spectator.
Yes, I can hear you. There is a lot of construction work going on in the building, so there will be a lot of noise around. So that's why I kept camera and microphone off for some time.
Okay.
Fair enough, but are you
Welcome
with the
once
pendulum,
again.
ma'am?
I have the pendulum in my hand. I'm able to listen to your
Great.
instructions and to see it.
Great. Okay. अब इसको समझते हैं, ठीक है? First, let's take something very simple. Consider the pendulum movement forward, backward. कैसे हिलेगा वो? Forward, backward, sideways,
yes.
and rotation. Right? So, let's consider. इसका मतलब है हाँ. ठीक है? इसका मतलब है नहीं, और इसका मतलब है okay. So this is not showing the future, okay? So please interpret very powerfully. This is reflection of our own subconscious. तो हमें अपना belief किस दिशा में और पक्का करना है, ये पेंडुलम हमें बताता है कि जहाँ पे आप ट्रैक पे हो, great, keep going, and जहाँ नहीं हो, वहाँ you can work on that. So where do you need to work? अगर कोई subject है, कोई which that is like a concern for you, and if you are working on that, so you know that which subject is like yes, you believe that you will get through this, and where are you stuck? So you need to work there. Okay, so it's a mere reflection of your own subconscious. Fine, it's a guide. It can be your daily guide. So let's take something simple, like सब लोग अपने मन में बोलिए, but very powerfully. Take something very simple sentence or a thought wherein my name is Pallavi. Undoubted, na? I am a girl. My name is Pallavi. So you can see this. Can you see it moving? Pallavi.
Yes,
Pallavi, and not doing anything. Okay, this is मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर रही हूँ, वो अपने आप it is reflecting my subconscious. Very simple. Can you all see it for yourself? पहले कर लो.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, आप है ना, अगर चाहो आपका जो elbow है, वहीं पे you can keep it rested. There is a little noise. If you can help me out with that. Yeah. So keep it rested. And अगर critical mind पहली बार कर रहे हो, सा बीच में आता है वेर इन यू थिंक कि ये सचमुच ऐसे होगा. So then now I am very much aligned, so it will start showing up immediately. See, I'm not doing anything. है ना?
Exactly.
Okay, but you could get it. Okay, now let's see something which is certainly a no, like it's raining heavily outside, or it's nights, रात के 12:30 बज रहे. It's like रात के 12:30 तो नहीं बज रहे हैं ना, तो it's saying कि बाबा नहीं, because what I say and what I believe, there is a fact. I am very clear. It's a fact कि रात नहीं है अभी. So it is reflecting. है ना? Simple. Can you see it for yourself, everyone?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a clear no. See?
Exactly, ma'am.
Okay, great. Now next हम करेंगे जिसमें maybe है. Maybe the session will get over in an hour's time or so. Maybe we're not very clear. We are just expecting it to be. So it's going.
Right.
Okay.
That's amazing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's absolutely amazing. Okay. अब इसको थोड़ा और better level पे लेके जाएं.
Sure, ma'am.
यहाँ
Yes,
तक आ गया?
yes.
Okay, great. Now, let's see different vibrations. हम अगर कोई शब्द में एक powerful ऊर्जा है, it is a high vibration thought, it will go yes, and if it's a negative vibration, it will go no. Okay, so let's see. Happiness, 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 happy, 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 happy. How many of you could get this?
Yes,
Super
ma'am.
powerful, super powerful. Look at it. I am not doing anything extra, okay? I want you to get this.
Exactly.
Okay, now let's take something which is exactly opposite of happiness would be
Sad.
I'm sad. sad यार क्या लोग हो गए हैं, कितना बेकार है बाहर. I'm just fed up when this lockdown will get over यार. पता नहीं जॉब का क्या होगा, कब ये करेंगे, कहाँ पे. I mean, I wanted to go somewhere, study, build my.
It powerfully goes towards no.
Yes, and
Exactly,
इसको
ma'am.
अगर एक गाइड की तरह लें कि किस कौन से थॉट को हम एंटरटेन करेंगे, which thought will be entertained?
Only happy thoughts.
The something that gives power, something that is high vibration. Yesterday my daughter was telling me कि हाँ मम्मा एंगर मतलब तो हाई वाइब्रेशन है ना, सो गेट दिस. देन आई अंडरस्टूड कि अच्छा इसको लग रहा है कि जो जोर से बोलेंगे दैट इज हाई वाइब्रेशन. तो hence she said no whatever it's loud, so it's not that. Okay, anger, fear, whatever, resentment, हम कितने भी सही, see, बट इट इज अ लो वाइब्रेशन, और उधर हवा नहीं देनी है. हवा हमें उसी चीज को देनी है जहां it is high vibration. I love this switch word. If we can all practice it together, say divine magic begin now, divine magic begin now. Do it with me. Divine magic begin now, divine magic begin now, divine magic begin now, divine magic begin now, divine magic begin now. Keep repeating, be with yourself. Divine, see it for yourself. Divine magic begin now, divine magic begin now, divine magic begin now, divine magic begin now. हाँ महिमा, could you see कि पहले ना वो थोड़ा सा maybe and सब आ गया, right? You were not, you still, your critical mind was in कि यार नहीं मेरा तो गोली घूम रहा है, सबका पता नहीं ये हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है. And this went so nicely. Why? Because your critical mind was bypassed.
Yes, ma'am. I was a
It
bit
was
rushed.
bypassed.
initially, but now that it's working, so I know that it really works.
Yes, and I want you to get this, that when we say a affirmation or a happy thought, ठीक है, तो अफर्मेशन और
Right.
हैप्पी थॉट जब हम बोलते हैं ना, तो उसमें क्या होता है कि कहीं ना कहीं वो ना होने का भी फाइल एक ओपन हो जाता है, बिकॉज व्हाट यू से एंड व्हाट यू थिंक, फील और इमेजिन में it is like all together, so you're not vibrating at what you're saying. But in divine magic begin now, what happened?
Yeah,
It is a word affirmation, it just lifted you to that required vibration, I call it. I mean,
Vibration.
we have read that we call it manifestation zone, है ना? So you will lift it high enough, or magic will only happen when we are vibrating at this level, whatever is the scene outside. We need to make sure that we are all keeping each other in a needed state of mind, if not very elated, very joyous, because everyone is going through very different spaces. It's not really, I won't say that you can be like super excited, super happy, but yes, we can maintain this. And being in this situation ka magic kya hai? That we automatically attract similar situations, similar people, similar vibrations, एंड देन हम जैसे ही हम नीचे चले जाते हैं, फिर वैसे वस्तु व्यक्ति परिस्थिति को हम अट्रैक्ट करेंगे। जैसे ही हम अपने आप को ऊपर लिफ्ट करते हैं, वैसे वस्तु व्यक्ति परिस्थिति को अपन अट्रैक्ट करेंगे। एंड दैट्स व्हाट हैज कनेक्टेड मी टू sir and each one of you. So we are already vibrating at one level, so the only
That's
key
so
is,
kind of you, doctor.
no,
That's
certainly, I really mean it, and that's how we are here together. The only key is maintaining ourselves here and maintaining each other. अगर कोई भी नीचे जाता है, एक दूसरे को ऊपर उठाना है, साथ में चलना है, और अपने आसपास वालों को भी वो वाइब्रेशन में आने आने के लिए इंस्पायर करते रहना है. डोंट लुक डाउन अपॉन देम दैट हम लोग तो इधर है, ये लोग तो इधर है. देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग. वी आर ऑल गोइंग थ्रू डिफरेंट स्पेसेस. वी कैन गिव ईच अदर इनफ टाइम to have their own journey, but respect whoever is in lower vibration, but make sure that उनकी एनर्जी आप एब्जॉर्ब ना करते हुए आपकी एनर्जी मेंटेन रखोगे, तो आपके स्पेस में बाकी लोग भी ऊपर आ जाएंगे. आई होप आई एम कम्युनिकेटिंग इट टू यू. दिस इज वेरी वेरी needed at this particular time. So I would be happy to answer to your questions, anything specific, uh, so that I can contribute even more powerfully in each one of your lives.
Thank
So
you,
please
Dr.
feel
Pallavi.
very
And I'm sure this magic spellbound has touched everybody with this few simple things: thread, pendulum, or a pendant. And I want to inform the audience that Dr. Pallavi and me, we have one common teacher. And we have a common teacher, Dr. Sajan Galani, who have taught both of us hypnosis. So both of us belong to that stature of that same Guru Bhai, something like that, something like that. Or maybe, I don't know, Guru Bhai Ben or Guru friends or whatever you say, we both have same teacher. And she has taken up this profession of hypnosis and physiotherapy and magician into different league. And I came to this league. So maybe whatever destiny has for all of us, so we moved in the direction, but yes, we both share the similar kind of vibrations or frequencies as we were lifted by our teachers and all that. So that is what still had made us join, even though we joined on Facebook and on LinkedIn, and this is how we got to know, oh, you have the same teacher, I have the same teacher, because that was not a university, that was not an institute, it was kind of monthly workshops that we used to do it. So the teacher used to travel all over India. So I was based in Indore, I was based in Baroda, and I have done double things. Even when he was in Baroda for some sessions, I did there. When I did my MBA from Indore, he was there in Indore. I did again there. I said, sir, I am always after you. So it is always a pleasure to meet somebody who has the same teacher and the same guru. And it's a pleasure to have you, Dr. Pallavi. And I'm sure we have been, just want to inform you, we have been joined by our few senior fellow colleagues. Dr. Navita Mahajan is there. Dr. Navita, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Navita ma'am.
Thank you for
And
being here, ma'am.
we have been joined by Assistant Director Jay Seni of International Business School. Jay sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. This is a very special session because I have not joined it for myself. Trust me, Nitin sir, my son is very excited and he's sitting there with a book and
So
waiting
you
for the
can
magic trick to happen.
show the video of son to Dr. Pallavi. Maybe he will get.
Unfortunately, the camera is having some problem. I can't switch it
Okay,
on.
no
Otherwise,
issue.
I would have.
That is
So-
what intention was. That we should bring our children or elderly ones, because for them there is different kind of this event. It is academic, तो अलग level पे हो जाएगा. We can say team building and how she managed the whole magic show as a big project that she is managing at her own level. And we also have been joined, as I informed, Ms. Sulekha is there already on the screen. So she's a wonderful friend of ours and she's attached with the happiness frequency with us, right, Sulekha ma'am? So, and
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I could see this pendulum moving so fast when I used that switch word.
so,
Yes.
and you know it, you are not moving it. You know that you are not moving that.
Yes. I was holding it quite steadily.
But this is how Dr. Pallavi has suggested that the subconscious mind operates all our hand movements, all our intentions, everything. Even we know it or we don't know it. Whatever we are doing, we are by default moving in that direction by default, because subconsciously we are that frequency, as ma'am has very wisely said it. So, Dr. Pallavi, may I take a permission from Tushar and Mahima to ask you one question, and then I will take to the audience. They want to ask anything to you.
Yes,
Doctor,
definitely.
first of all, it's a pleasure again to see you as my fellow colleague or my fellow Guru Bhai and all this.
Same here.
But yes,
I
So-
feel that nothing happens by chance. I actually feel that when we ask for something, the universal forces says, they're super powerful. हम कुछ भी नहीं है उसके सामने, and they are, bringing the similar energies, uniting them together for something, uh, very very powerful that's yet to come. I mean, this is my way I'm looking at it.
and just on a very lighter note, maybe there is a kind of a coincidence between your profession and my first book. In my first book, my title was Pebbles. What more can I put in your magical bag? That was the title of my book also. So
Oh,
since then, that magic word is in my head and my subconscious for long. Maybe that is one reason we got connected. That book was in my subconscious for long, and now we have the magical person also along with us. Thank you once again. Doctor, now a question. Uh, there are some students who have asked a very funny question that is there any magic? Is there any magic they can remove the fear of exam, fear of subjects? Some girls, many girls, not some girls, many girls don't like maths. They don't like maths, right? Similarly, there is a fear. So as we say, the fear is a kind of a toy for a magician or for a hypnotherapist. We deal with fears. So what you want to suggest to those students who want to just get over those fears? It could be fear of anything. I'm giving only one example: fear of subject, fear of numericals, fear of assignments, fear of exams, whatever. So what could be the thing that they can do even if they're not professional hypnotherapists? What could be one way that you would like to suggest to them? They could get over the fear.
There are so many influences, to look at it really, with respect, and really make a difference in their lives. There would be something that has been picked up as a child, and we carry it till now. The only key is that influence first needs to be washed out. That's there in my book, and I really believe that जैसे अभी तो हमने critical mind को bypass किया, by using the switch word and the exercise, but we also saw where we are, and we could also bypass the critical mind. हमने दोनों भी किया. But then there has to be that daily cleansing, that happens. So I will tell you very, very simple things that comes up to me right now. कि जब भी, and देखना, ये छोटे छोटे चीजों में ना बहुत पावर छुपा है. तो आप, एंड पावर एक्सपीरियंस में है. सो मैं जो भी बोल रही हूँ ना, लिख के रखना. आई हैव यूज्ड इट, आई हैव मेड श्योर दैट my patients have used this. और मेरे इस पे जाना मत. I am into practice since a very, very long time. So I will tell you something that really works. Okay. So whenever you're brushing your teeth, ना, जब भी आप brush कर रहे हो, during your toilet activities, when you're exercising, this particular specific thought, every time you flush it, wash it, spit it out. Okay, and then there is something called a salt bath. If you believe, it's also one of the cleansing techniques, very powerful techniques. You can go on my YouTube channel. I have videos uploaded which relate to this. So first is cleansing. तो पहले ना उसको धीरे धीरे you will experience कि हाँ, अब सेम चीज देखने से मुझे वैसे feeling नहीं आती है जैसे पहले आती थी. So then there is a difference in the vibration, wherein you were vibrating very low, but now you are okay with it. है ना. कभी कभी कोई पर्सन भी, कोई टीचर भी, उनको देख के जो एकदम इधर ट्रिगर आता है ना, तो फिर बाद में अरे हाँ, इनको देख के अब वो फाइल नहीं ओपन हो रही है इधर. So वहां पे पहले आ जाओ. Okay, once you are there, then the seeding has to happen. अभी हमने जो किया उसी बेस पे हम अगर बात करें, there are like so many ways, and which you would also be aware of. What I would suggest is, now that you have used this pendulum, आप pendulum को ही हाथ में लेके, that okay, see, if I want to get rid of fear, and if I keep on focusing on fear, will I be able to get rid of fear?
No, not at all.
So what do I need to seed?
Look at the
A
bright.
positive thought.
Positive thing, ma'am.
तो हर एक का उस हम स्पेसिफिक भी जाए, दैट ओके, अगर ये एग्जाम है तो मैंने, even if I am talking to you today here, as I said, sir, very honestly, I did not do any preparation. It was only intention. और मैं हमेशा अपने आप को यही बोलती हूँ कि भाई, जो तूने लाइफ जी है, जो भी अंदर बोया गया है, अगर मैं क्लाउडिंग निकाल दूं, अगर आपने आपकी क्लासेस अटेंड किए हैं, इफ यू आर देयर, आपके सबकॉन्शियस में वो है, पर वो बाहर क्यों नहीं आ पा रहा है? बिकॉज दीज आर द थॉट्स दैट आर एक्टिंग एज अ क्लाउड. दे आर नॉट लेटिंग दिस आउट. सो if you tell yourself that it is just, जो भी मैंने पढ़ा है, सुना है, देखा है, वो मुझे उस समय बराबर, it is going to be reflected, वो आ जाएगा. पहले तो ये belief, तो then you practice with the same thing. अगर नहीं आया तो क्या करोगे? Don't get upset कि अरे उसका तो हाँ आया, मेरा नहीं आया. नहीं, then that will again take you to lower vibration. Only key is अपना रोज पेंडुलम निकालो, रोज प्रैक्टिस करो, that yes, I love this subject, I am getting good at this, I am getting good at this, I am getting good at this. See yourself appreciated by your fellow colleagues, your teachers. People are coming to you, they want to learn from you, and अरे यार कैसे किया, and then you feel the difference. But this has to happen. But reality, see, the whole game is ki just what is different. The situation, the current situation is contrast. और उस समय ये believe करना is the whole game. That अपना energy, अपना thought, attention, everything, and people around you also, they remind you of the contrast only. वही फाइल ओपन भी होती है, आप इधर प्रैक्टिस करके गए तो इमीडिएटली तो यू आर नॉट, जो इट इज लाइक आई एम planting a seed, the tree is not going to grow immediately. I am not going to see tomatoes. If I plant a tomato seed, I have to believe that, and I have to keep on nourishing it with full faith, with lot of compassion and acceptance of what is, that there is nothing wrong with me. अपने आप को मैं भूल जाती हूँ हमेशा. I always forget myself and I just see that वो चीज करने के लिए क्या लगे. So the moment you get your attention off your identity and you see at what is required and needed and you work there, you have to get the results. You have to get the results no matter what. It's just about सही दिशा में आप हो ना, वहां पे हथौड़ा मारते रहना. If someone tells something, bless them. Take that message very, very positively. If it is a contra situation, कोई ना कोई आके हमें आईना दिखा के जा रहा है कि भाई इधर काम करो, तो उनको तो थैंक यू बोलना है. Whether it's your parent, your teacher, your friend, वहां अपसेट नहीं होना, आप लिख के रखो, but don't absorb that energy, don't take it to heart, but wisely transform. You know where you have to. मैजिक में ना सर, मैजिक फील्ड में होके मुझे एक समझ गया, जो I realized that because of that I believe in, that cutting is easy, but I cut the past. Then vanishing is easy, but I know what to vanish. Creating from nothing is easy. I know I have to create the future which is not there. So the patterns are trained. There is some like ये इस चीज का ये बन गया. So transformation may be, so you are living in a world wherein you start believing and creating in the impossible, but in what direction to work on. So if we all start believing in that we know what to cut, what to transform, what to vanish, what to create, magic can and will and is already happening. I can experience it right now. So I hope I answered your question, sir.
I'm sure they must be now using this method. Tushar and Mahima, any questions further, beta? You take it over. Any other questions you have? Anybody have a question? They can raise hand. They can come on the video and they can ask a question to Dr. Pallavi directly. It's a fantastic opportunity for everybody. Anybody?
I have a question. Can I?
Yeah. Yes.
Dr. Sulekha, please, question.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, please. Yes.
Yeah, Dr. Pallavi, did you have any significant experiences with paralytic patients, just in case?
In what sense?
I mean, say for example, we get to see a lot of people who had paralytic attacks, and could they revive themselves in some way due to these experiments, or say for example, you apply physiotherapy also. How do you combine this knowledge with physiotherapy?
Certainly. You know what? This is something again very powerful. I have seen that certain patients, may it be anything, few recover very well,
Yes.
and few take time, or few never repair. Now understand this very, very powerfully. We say there is a book. I don't remember the name of the book. Anyways, uh, what is the scar of, what is the source of paralysis? Is it something, a scar of shame, or a scar of something that you want to uh, boldly say, like just say, if it was a someone who was fighting at the border and उसमें अगर कुछ हो जाता है and then they land up into something, they will show the scar very, very with proudly, and they recover, yeah, and then they want to get over it. But if it is of, so वो पहले ही low vibration में चले गए ना, So
Mhm.
then we have to work on that first, that bringing them, because if I am not, I'm in low vibration, I'll create reasons for not recovering. I will be in that victim mode for a longer time. People broadly label it as willpower going down, but the thought forms need to be worked on, specific thought forms rather. So I also follow Louis say, and there are so many specific thought forms that need to be worked on. Once they believe, when once they forget that I am the soul, I'm not this body, and the soul is super powerful, and the soul has power to use this instrument very very wisely, and come out of anything. Then they start using their assets. I always focus on assets than what is not working. And once they see that okay, ye aa gaya, then it becomes, and we make sure that we call it health celebration. अगर आप clinic कभी आए, तो it is like थोड़ा सा भी achievement हुआ ना, so we celebrate it कि ये, so उसको बड़ा कर दो. So जो भी आप जहां पर भी आप magnify करोगे energy, वो बढ़ने वाला है. So there are so many things that we use apart from a specific training. The training that we use in paralysis is certainly very very unique in terms of the exercises that we give, hands-on treatment that we give. But it is not what you do, it is also how you do. So if there is a lot of compassion, a lot of respect, a lot of acceptance, even from the person who is handling, treating, the response
Dr.
is
Pallavi,
certainly better. Haji.
I think your video is still is. Can you just restart on video again? Maybe something. Your video got still for a little last 30 seconds, something like that. Yeah, now better, better.
But you could hear me, right?
I can hear you. We can hear you.
Yes, yes. Thank you so
Yes.
much.
I hope I answered your question.
Yes, definitely. I love this, that health celebration and magnifying the smallest of improvements, and using use of assets, thinking of it as assets. Beautiful.
Absolutely. And whatever it is, acceptance. And then, because if a person doesn't accept, it is a hook. So once you accept whatever it is and then you transform, it works well. Thank you.
Thank you so
Anybody
much.
have a question? Anybody else have a question? Please raise hand and maybe come on the camera to ask a question. Boys and girls, anybody? Mahima?
Yeah, ma'am, first of all, the session has been absolutely astonishing so far. I mean, it might sound like a very stupid question, but in this very competitive world where people are just, behind each other, trying to put each other down, so are there any ways in which we can instantly, or not even instantly, maybe after one or two interactions, tell that what exactly is the intention of the other person who is speaking to us or is working with us, so that we can prevent the future I don't know, the disappointment maybe, or the workload that comes. So are there any ways that we can tell?
Yes, in energy science, we do understand, and we all can see if my own aura is clean, I can sense energy even more easily. It's energy, na? A thought is energy, emotion is energy. So whatever is the energy exchange, the clarity of it will happen when my clouding is less, my congestion is less. Then I can, and then you can take that inner call. I call it. It can be a guidance, and then you trusting that uh inner guidance more than anything else, because what is shown and what is there is huge lot of difference.
Yes,
And
absolutely.
being on stage, I can understand that. So yes, So yes, there are so many ways wherein by energy science we also, you know, uh, we can understand that, you know, specific chakras and congestion, and it's a whole new world, and it is a science in itself. But for each one of us, if we are just you know, a little attentive to your own self, you know, and वो level आ जाता है when you do this, what I just said na, simple four things, actually you will get it, you will get it.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
And
so
I
much.
always say that why waste our time and energy in thinking that if someone is, you know, uh, deceiving or truthful or whatever. I always say that the truth will come into my life at its own right time, and my job is to flow, keep flowing like water,
That's the
and
hard.
keep, yeah, never get distracted. See to it that your attention is on your purpose, come what may, at all times. And the right, when you are vibrating at a level required, we are talking about, you will automatically attract the people who are vibrating at that level. Have that faith that your job is to make sure that you lift yourself every time you fall down. Take that message, take that learning, don't, you know, usko aur hawa nahi deni hai, ho gaya, learn your lesson. We are all learning our own lessons, move ahead immediately. कितना, the whole game is about कितना fast हम अपने आप को ऊपर उठा के वापस सही दिशा में बहते हैं. So that's the whole thing.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was like
Did
a
I
really
answer your question? You got your answer?
yes, absolutely.
हाँ जी. जी.
Do we have any more questions?
And we have had such patience for Suleika ma'am कि जो 10-10 साल से on bed है, नहीं चले हैं, और वो just एक महीने भर के treatment से, especially, you know, even my husband Dr. Alap, he also has magical hands, and he was I remember that he was treating a patient जो एकदम, they had lost whole hope, whole family is dependent on that person. He's the man of the family, the only earning member, and the wife is like a homemaker, and the children are studying, and he is on his feet. That is such a big thing. So ऐसे कई सारे you know, we have had, and we make them write the goal first कि ये दिन मैं अपने आप को देख रहा हूँ, और फिर अगर देखा हमें कि the specific goal is creating anxiety, कि जिससे वही, और कि अरे ये गोल पास, फिर हम लोग उसको एडजस्ट करते कि नहीं नहीं थोड़ा दूर करते. आई हैव आल्सो डन दैट. सो उस समय इफ यू नो कि आप कैसे महसूस कर रहे हो जब आप अपने गोल को देखते हो, तो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट द मोमेंट यू फील दैट यू गेटिंग एंशियस, गो जनरल. उस समय फिर वो गोल को भी भूल जाओ. मेक श्योर दैट यू आर जस्ट हैप्पी. बहुत ज्यादा लॉजिक्स एंड एनालिसिस अगर होने लग गया, गो जनरल, जस्ट मेंटेन माइंड. हाँ जी.
Excellent, excellent. And I'm a big fan of visualization techniques. It really helps a lot.
Yes. जी. Same here. Very, very powerful.
Like, it looks like we have covered all of our questions.
Tushar, we have another.
Any other questions?
Tushar, we have another question by Pika.
हाँ
Okay.
जी.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
go
very
ahead.
good afternoon. Very good,
Good
afternoon,
afternoon,
ma'am. First of all, I would like to say that it was a very wonderful session, like
Thank
very
you so
interactive
much.
also. Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, my question is like a few days back, I went through a tarot session. So it was like fully magical to me. Like I want to know, so like is it something like how is it related to magic, or it is something predictions or what?
Well, I am not a tarot card reader. So I should not be commenting on that, but how I understand life is, even in my book, The Door to Confidence Opens Here. What I suggest is, once you get the hold of it, there are 51 keys. You close your eyes, think of the problem, whatever you want the answer like to, and you just open any one page with full faith, and whatever comes, you consider that as the key for the day. So and it works हमारा ना, even in our clinic, what we do is we have a jar जिसमें फ्लैश कार्ड्स जैसे सारे अफर्मेशंस बने हुए हैं, अराउंड से 50 अफर्मेशंस, एंड एवरी पेशेंट वो रुकते हैं उसके लिए. व्हाई? बिकॉज द एक्सपीरियंस दैट यू हैड ना पुनीत, वो उनको भी हुआ. तो हर दिन अगर मैं दूसरे पेशेंट देख रही हूँ केबिन में, तो वो रुकते हैं जाने से पहले, एंड दे टेक गो होम विद दैट थॉट. वो कोई भी एक कार्ड उठाते हैं, और उस समय लिटरली जो जरूरत होती है वही कार्ड आता है. And it is my experience also of years. I follow the practice. As soon as I enter the center, I lift the card, and and the only key is I align myself to that thought.
Yes,
Immediately
ma'am.
I align myself, and then the key is that they remain in that vibration. They chant, they write, and it works. So I believe in it. It is just about, बिना वजह, जैसे बिना वजह तो हम भी नहीं मिले हैं.
Yes, ma'am. Right, exactly.
So if you ask about it, it is a science to be respected.
So, ma'am, is magic
And
related to astrology or something, or is it completely different from that?
well, you know what? I have performed more than 3,500 shows across India and even outside. And we have gone places, and I have learned from so many magicians. But it was mere entertainment. What I had performed on stage, to be very honest, it was entertainment, it was skill, it was haath ki safai, it was science, maths, everything. But I respect that skill, because how I look at it now is कि हाँ रे, मैं वो high vibration में थी, और उतने देर everybody is in that vibration. So it's a contribution to people's life wherein they are forgetting. अभी हम इतना 1 घंटे से बात करें, आप अपने problems को भूल चुके हो थोड़ी देर के लिए. You are completely in that space. So that is isn't that magic?
Yes, ma'am. Completely.
Yes. So it was more of I would say a temporary, once you go back to your life, then okay, you get entangled in those energies. So I said, sir, that we will keep this, as something I want कि जो हर एक बंदा अपने लाइफ टाइम के लिए कैरी कर पाए. So then it's magic, when you could at least one thing of then our time, every one of us has given their valuable time to be here, manage their life to be here. So then it would be worth it when we use it for life, whether it's a simple pendulum or a simple smile for that matter.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for this
Did I
wonderful
answer
session.
your question? So magic होता है. So it is belief. So believe in magic, and the magic happens.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Tushar,
Thank you, Dr. Thank you, Dr. Pallavi, for the
एक
wonderful
और
talk
चीज मैं
show.
बोलना चाहूंगी, that
Yes, ma'am.
what we do, it is my realization that हम इसमें अटक जाते कि ये सच है कि झूठ है ना, कि so what I realized is, अभी इसको ध्यान से सुनना और समझने की कोशिश करना, ठीक है, कि हम लाइफ कैसे कैरी करते हैं. पता है कि हम है ना, सच, सो कॉल्ड सच, फैक्ट हमें पता होता है ना, हमें पता होता है सच क्या है, और हम क्या करते हैं, मास्क करते हैं मैक्सिमम चीजें. व्हाई? ईदर आउट ऑफ फियर और ग्रीड. वी ऑल लाई ना समटाइम्स. कभी ना कभी तो हर एक ने कहीं ना कहीं ये बोला ही होगा. बट इवन इफ इट इज माई लिटिल डॉटर, उस दिन उसने अपने बाल काट दिए एंड देन शी सेज दैट मम्मा यू नो व्हाट आई फॉरगॉट टू टेल यू. डिड यू फॉरगॉट और वर यू fearful? So it is like she did not forget to tell me, but she was fearful. So it is out of fear or greed that we lie in life. So if we are able to understand कि हम अगर सच, या इफ वी आर अ ओपन बुक, और अगर हम सच दुनिया को बोल पाए, जो है वो अपनी लाइफ इस तरह से जिए ना कि यू आर एबल टू टेल व्हाट इट इज टू द वर्ल्ड. दैट इज लाइक बीइंग सुपर ऑथेंटिक, right? And authentic about not showing something also. If you ask me, मैम ये आइटम आपने कैसे किया, आप सच बोलो, तो मैं सच ये बोलूंगी कि भाई मैं नहीं बता सकती. Right? So that time also I am being very authentic. I will sleep peacefully. अगर कोई पेशेंट मेरे पास आता है, मैं आपको ठीक कर सकती हूँ, ओके. नहीं कर सकती हूँ, ओके. किसी और का आपको मुझे सपोर्ट लगेगा, ओके. So I am being true there. अब है ना, आपको वहां सच बोलना है, और क्या करना है पता है? झूठ अपने आप से बोलना है. कैसे? When you are visualizing something, क्या वो हो गया है, वहां हमें रेजिस्टेंस आता है कि नहीं है तो मैं कैसे बोलूं. If I say that I am trustworthy, and अगर कोई फाइल इधर ऐसे खुल जाती है जहां पे I had lied, so there is a discord there. And then I go into self-criticism, guilt, blame, or I justify why I lied. फिर भी it is a trap. फिर भी it's a trap. So the thing is कि even if it is contrast, you keep on telling yourself that झूठ which is for your higher good. पर लोगों को क्या करना है? You have to try and be yourself. Be as you are. When I accept myself exactly as I am, and when I am, being super transparent, maximum possible, I will sleep peacefully at night, and that will save hell lot of energy जो मैं सही दिशा में लगा सकती हूँ. Because life is not about proving anything to anyone. It is about, creating, and let the time speak. So if I am really confident and about myself, I need not do that. It will automatically happen. Am I communicating it to you?
Yes, ma'am. Wonderfully.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Beautifully. Beautiful.
Thank you, Dr. Pallavi. In between, I had some issues with my laptop, and I am back on my mobile phone. I think we are just touching 1 hour, and I think the questions are so many which I am observing, and I'm sure you have very clean and very practical and very like vision and experience answer that you are giving from your own life, which we can feel that even though we are very far off, everybody somewhere in other countries, somewhere in here in India or South India and all that, but everybody can feel the answer is coming very genuinely, coming from direct your experience and all that, and everybody must be feeling that your laughter and your smile is very contagious, and that
Thank
would
you.
be a kind of a proof, a kind of a proof that everybody can take it up, that how to be a clean means you have used this word cleansing of our thoughts, and you gave one practical tool about that spitting while you using brushing or daily routines and all that. That's a kind of a tool that I will tell even to my young daughters also and to every student. That would be a fantastic thing. Sometimes हम कहते भी हैं ना कि गुस्सा थूक दो, So I think that has some kind of a magical meaning or a subconscious meaning inside that thing also. That is always there.
Absolutely. And we
So
can
I
go
think
specific there. A
yes,
specific experience also you can spit every day, and then its energy decreases, minimizes.
right. So Tushar, any better you have a question? Anything you want to ask? Mahima has asked question. People have asked question. You have a question?
No, sir, I had the same question regarding the fear of examinations which you covered. That's
That
the
I
only fear that I
I
face.
hope you
Right,
got.
sir.
that I felt it from every.
I will surely use that trick. I will surely use that trick during the examinations.
Yes.
Yes. So, Dr.
Yes,
Pallavi,
sir.
it was a pleasure to have you at our Center of Happiness talk show. And on behalf of our founder president Ashok K. Chauhan sir, our Chancellor Atul Chauhan sir, and our group vice chancellor Dr. Gurinder Singh sir, and on behalf of thousands of students who have witnessed you, and they will be witnessing the recording of this session after the session is sent online on YouTube. They will be learning a lot, and I can be very confident, and I can see that you are going to be the next much sought speaker in MIT in a near time. I'm very sure on
Thank you.
that.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
we will love to invite you back on other future events, which I've already spoken to you, that we are going to have our International Happiness Day, and we are going to have our some other conferences on happiness. So I would love to invite you on those events.
It's
And
absolute honor, sir. I feel blessed.
Tushar, better give a closing remark and then we please back up.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much, Dr. Pallavi, for this wonderful talk show. We
Thank you.
appreciate you being here. I would like to also thank Mr. Dr. Jay Saini sir, Navita Mahajan ma'am, and all of the faculties who joined here and the students who joined here for blessing our this talk show. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
Thank,
you. Thank you. God bless.
thank
God
you
bless.
so much,
Thank you.
Doctor,
Thank
once
you.
again.
Thank
Thank
you
you
to
so
each one of you. Thank you
and
so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you everybody, boys and girls, for joining. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Dr.
Have a
Pal.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Dr. Nitin, and all the organizing members for such a wonderful session. It is really a deep pleasure to know Dr. Pallavi. Deep pleasure.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Sudeep ma'am, for always, joining our talk shows. We are, very happy that you join all the time, regardless of your busy schedule. You're always here for us. Thank you.
Uh, Mahima, just play the closing song of happiness and then we close.
Oh, yes, okay.
So we always play one song that is the center of happiness and we enjoy and then we again close it out.
Wonderful.
Mahima, Tushar, better just play that song of the center.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, just give me a minute, sir.
This song.
हाय कैसे हो खाया क्या खुशियों की कसम ओ हेलो ऑफ है मूड सैड हो तो सुनो देखो मैंने तो खा ली है हैप्पीनेस वाली कसम इसके साथ ही कह दिया टाटा बाय टू ऑल द गम हाय कैसे हो खुश हो क्या सच कहो ओके लिसन देखो ना झूम रही हूँ पूछो कैसे सबको रिकमेंड करती हूँ मैं हैप्पीनेस वाली कसम जिंदगी में एक ही काफी है नो टेंशन हम है मगन
Thank you, Dr. Pallavi, once again. And with this happy note, I want to thank you
Loved
once.
it.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you so much,
Thank
doctor. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
पूरा सेशन एक तरफ और ये सॉन्ग एक तरफ से just
No,
love
ma'am,
it.
no, ma'am.
This is the
Thank you so
energy.
much for the
my,
compliment.
my energy also.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's
Thank you
amazing.
so much, ma'am.